Welcome to Cards You Can Fix. Today we're going to be doing a transmission fluid service on a 2022 Hyundai Tucson. Let's get to it. First thing we're going to do is remove this air box so we can access the fill plug down here. Let's use a pry tool. That comes right off. Got a couple of hoses here we're going to remove. There you go. And that pulls right out. This wire, it's got a little clip in here. I'm gonna use this tool here to try to. There we go. 10 millimeter here for the clamp. And since we're taking the hose off, we're going to go ahead and get this clamp loosened too. We got another 10 millimeter down here. And we have one 10 millimeter over here in the back end. And this should just slip right out. And we're going to go ahead and take this hose off too, just to make it easier. So as you see behind this hose here, that's our transmission fill plug right there. Now I'm not going to remove it yet, I'm just going to crack it loose, just using the 3/8 extension.
And if you can take a chance to please like the video and subscribe, it would really help the channel out.
Okay. And it's not very tight. Just hand tight really. And we're just loosening it to make sure when it comes time to fill it, we're not going to have any issues. Let's go to the bottom. We're just going to lift up the vehicle a little bit so we have better access to take off the bottom pan. Just a little safety there. So we got a number of 10 millimeter screws, and then on the sides here you got some clips. So we'll take the clips out first. That's both sides. And then we got one plastic nut right here. It's going to be a 14. And it stays captured. Now here's our transmission pan on the driver's side. We have one bolt here. We're going to go ahead and crack that loose. That's the drain bolt. You get some cardboard in your drain pan. And this is going to be a 24 millimeter. Just crack that loose. And let that drain. Here's the drain bolt. It's got that magnet on it. So we're gonna go ahead and clean that stuff off there. And we're going to put a new washer on too. And I'm just going to lower the vehicle while it's draining. I'm going to put the new crush washer on. So now it's at about a slow drip. We're good to go ahead and put this back in. So we're going to set this to 31 foot-pounds. Right there. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm measuring the old fluid. Put a mark right here where the fluid level is. In order, just going to fill this up with new fluid and just dump it right in. So we're not going to do any set checks or anything like that. We're just going to put the same amount of fluid that came out back in. And the new fluid's a nice bright red color. You know, just pull the hose a little bit and we're going to completely remove this cap. Probably do the rest by hand now. It's just a little plastic bolt cap thing. Okay, get your funnel. This one's got a long dealio here. And just hold it just like that. And we're going to just go ahead and pour our fluid in. So I'm just going to pour real slow. And we're getting down to the last little bit here. Get the last straps. Let's go ahead and put your fill cap back in. And I'm not even going to use a ratchet, just by hand. That's it, right there. Now we're just going to install everything back in place. This post goes into this grommet right here, and we'll set it in. And put your two 10mm back in. Go ahead and snug those down. And then tighten up your hose clamps. Get your hoses back in place. You can get your plug, put that in the mount, and then the lock, push that back in. And you get your air intake seal. Right, and then the last thing is just put that bottom belly pan back on, and you're good to go. This is Cars You Can Fix. Thanks for watching.